YouTube? A new video. Alright, what we got right here, we got 12 inches times 100 feet of white vinyl from htvront. We is customizing warm-up jerseys from Superline Wholesale that was purchased prior to the video. These are the same ones that be customizing in the videos that's also uploaded to YouTube. I'm just giving y'all a tutorial. So here goes the vinyl. I'm not going to show everything, but I am going to show y'all the front and back. And it's one small detail that is very tedious. I can't hold the camera or get the tripod close enough, so I won't show that. All right, we in Silhouette Studio right here. This showing the black print. If you see that yellow, you already know that the vinyl's been traced and it's been mirrored, so it's about to be cut. Obviously, I'm cutting. And I had already did some of these jerseys prior to me starting this video, but I figured I wanted to bring y'all along the journey, to feel me, so y'all could see just how to customize one if you decided that you wanted to buy something for yourself. I feel like I would do something for myself and my brand because I've been had the logos and whatever. I just never had the time to do it. But anyway, here we are. These is jerseys that's already done. Yo, what's up, YouTube? All right, so I told y'all I was going to show y'all from scratch how we did this. See the jersey? What you're going to do, you're going to place it on the heat press. It has a center mark right here. Pre-press. Make sure you got a heat glove. Make sure you got a heat glove. It's going to get wild hot. All right, so it's 3 placements. But I'm gonna show two placements, and basically the finished product that you're gonna see this front print, this back print. But if you see this is 3 prints. I'm not gonna do that on this video because that print is complicated, and I need to like do it behind the scenes. Anyway, like I was saying, I already got my stuff pre-cut. The 2 jerseys. But I actually need a whole lot more cut for the back anyway. But I'll get to that later. Alright, so we got the 94 like this. And what we doing, see, hold it, pinch it. Like that. All right, boom. You got your 2 fingers. Here. Only thing else you need to make sure everything is accurate is a ruler, so that both sides are accurate. All right, so I got about 7 inches from that side, and it should have. All right, boom. We in 7 and 7. Perfecto mundo. Alright, it's looking pretty even. Let's put on before I do the heat gloves. I got a different one. Got a lot of these heat gloves. Because at times, this could get hot. So, boom. We using maximum pressure on here. And we only press it for 5 seconds. Alright, so that's the reason for the heat glove. To hold it here. The piece I'm peeling back is wild hot too. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the trash can. Now we're gonna get prepared to do the other side. Alright, so let's flip it over. And the heat is under 350, 320. But all vinyl have different heat settings. However, I already know the press is around 290, because presses be lying to you. The heat never be 100. You feel me? If you know, you know. But if you don't know, then you don't know. All right, so the back piece, we gotta do the same thing. I already did it. So now what we gotta do is a triangle in the front, line it up, and then we're gonna go 2 fingers down. Should be 7 inches across on each side. All right, that's about accurate. Just make sure we got everything sitting still where we want it. I'm gonna pull that back. A plus on this for this particular heat press is the drawer slides forward a little bit, just enough to give you some working room. All right, so now what we doing? We got everything in place. We're gonna press. And keep in mind, it's heating up the other side as well, even though it's a 5-second press. We're gonna pull it back slowly, low and slow, low and slow. Because it's so hot, it could still wrinkle the vinyl. See, that's exactly what I meant, and I just did that. All right, so am I able to fix that wrinkle while it's hot though? You gotta do a full press. All right, so look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8, 9. Still gotta do this one, and yeah, we did. And I also completed. These ones are not, because I still got to put 2 hits, 3 hits. I still got 3 hits to do. I'm trying to find the rest of the jerseys. I don't know what the hell I did with them. But anyway, I don't know, they hit. So, the black ones is here. So what we gotta do for these black ones is put the front hit as well. But that's a complicated hit. And I might show it, but I gotta do so much. I gotta cut the back for 3 more, so I ain't gonna do all of that right now. I'm gonna end the video, edit it, post it. I thank y'all for watching though.